AutoPay on Spectrum Mobile is a convenient recurring billing feature where charges are automatically deducted from your linked payment method. While it ensures on-time payments, you might want to disable it to monitor charges or switch payment methods. To turn off AutoPay, start by logging into your Spectrum account through the website at spectrum.net or the My Spectrum app. Once logged in, navigate to the Billing or Accounts section, then select Payment Methods or AutoPay. In the Payment Methods or AutoPay section, toggle off the AutoPay option and confirm your changes. Alternatively, you can call Spectrum customer service at 1-833-267-6094 to request deactivation. Keep in mind that disabling AutoPay means you'll need to manually pay your bills to avoid service interruptions. Late fees start at $3 per day after the due date. Before you turn off AutoPay, there are a few things to consider. Turning off AutoPay might result in service suspension if bills aren't paid on time. Spectrum's terms state that AutoPay cancellations are effective immediately, but any pending transactions might still process. Now that AutoPay is off, what are the alternatives? You can opt for manual payments via check or through the online portal, or third-party apps like PayPal. Spectrum also offers paperless billing reminders and payment plans for those with outstanding balances. Many customers are switching away from AutoPay due to subscription fatigue. Keep an eye out for FCC rule changes in 2026, which may mandate clearer AutoPay disclosures, simplifying the opt-out process.